Good morning! Ako po si Dayan Laluan, isang widow. My husband died last February 10, 2023. I'm a mother to 6-year-old son, Yatniel, at isang guro. Year 2022 noon, 3 months na akong nananalangin sa Diyos at humihingi ng tulong sapagkat mabigat ang aking dinadala sa aking buhay spiritual sa panahong ito. Until my mother invited us to join Set Free Retreat last October 21. Sabi ko, sa wakas, sinagot na ng Diyos ang aking dalangin. Alam kong gagamitin ni Lord ang programang ito para hilumin ang aking puso at muling magamit sa kanyang gawain. Kaya hindi ako nagdalawang isip na sumali dito. During the retreat, Session 1 was about spiritual warfare. Sa session na iyon, God allowed me to confess my sin. I learned that repentance begins with a change of mind. Through the death and resurrection of Jesus, He is able to deliver us. Also, I know God has appointed that time for me to meet new friends na may mga kaparehas ko rin pinagdadaanan. At nagsimula dito ang patuloy na inner healing ng Diyos sa aking puso. I allow Jesus to speak truth into my wounded heart. Every day, through His words, prayers, and with the help of my life group, hinayaan ng Diyos na hilumin ako at palakasin sapagkat may mas malaking hamon pa pala akong kakaharapin sa pagkawala ng aking asawa. Dahil sa gawaing ito, lubos akong nagpupuri sa Diyos at nagpapasalamat sa kung papaano niya pinagtahi-tahi ang bawat pangyayari sa aking buhay. Para patatagin, palakasin, at tunay na palayain at gumaling. Sa Diyos ang lahat ng papuri. Naging encouragement sa akin ang John 8:31-32 na nagsasabing, "If you hold to my teaching, then you really are my disciples, and you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free." To my brothers and sisters in CCBC, I encourage you to attend and experience God's amazing healing, just like I did. Come and join the next batch of Set Free Retreat this coming September.